Hi, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is Candace, and she just got a whole new selection of shoes. Let me show you. These are by Prollete, and I cannot tell you when I got them, I could not believe how incredibly cute they were. But the more I looked at them, I was impressed with the quality and the detail. My daughter is 2, and she got her first 18-inch doll, and I am loving getting accessories. So these shoes, it comes with 5 different pairs of shoes and 2 pairs of socks. You have athletic socks to go with the tennis shoes and some really cute knee highs. Totally my style and what I dress my daughter in, so I love to be able to help her dress her doll in the same kind of clothes. It comes in this really nice box, so it'd make a really great gift for a little girl in your life. And also, it's a nice storage box to hold all of the shoes in. My daughter loves her doll and she loves to treat it just like a little girl, and these shoes were no exception. Like I said, the quality on these is really nice. They're super glittery. The bows on the boots are adorable. The bottom of the shoes is even hard. They slid on really nicely on this 18-inch doll, so they should fit any 18-inch doll. They were very snug and they were not going to slip off. So some shoes I've noticed slide off really easily. These are nice and snug and stay on. My daughter had the same set on her doll for several days, which is impressive because she likes to remove everything. If you're looking for a perfect gift for a little one in your life, these accessories were so fun. My daughter could not stop playing with just the shoes. I'm sure the little one in your life will love them too. And that's our point of view.